Sawadee ka. Welcome to Siam Legal's Travel to Thailand series, where we discuss all the ins and outs of tourism within the land of smiles. I am Bo, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some exciting news. The Thai government has announced 2 new visa exemption schemes for tourists from certain countries. If you're a national or citizen of any of these territories, you will be able to visit Thailand temporarily without needing to apply for a tourist visa beforehand. The first is a promotion for tourists from Kazakhstan and China as a way to acknowledge the trade agreements between the two. This scheme runs from September 25th, 2023 all the way through to February 29, 2024. Tourists will be visa-free in Thailand for 30 days. The second is a quick win policy introduced to enhance Thailand's tourism economy and to extend visa exemptions to those arriving from Russia, Taiwan, and India. For Russian tourists, they'll be entitled to a 90-day tourist visa exemptions. This will run from November 1st, 2023 to April 30, 2024. For tourists from Taiwan and India, a 30-day tourist visa exemption is granted, running from November 10, 2023 to May 10, 2024. Aside from holding a passport from one of these countries, there exists no other eligibility requirements. All you need to bring is your passport, and in case you're asked at the border, you can show your proof of funds, proof of accommodation in Thailand, and a return flight ticket. In addition, we would like to offer you a chance to apply for travel insurance from AXA, a leading health insurance provider in Thailand. Being insured is essential to enhancing your overall travel experience. So click the referral link to get started. Your passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months or more, given the official airline requirements. Simply show these items to the immigration officers when asked to be granted safe passage into the country. As processing times for tourist visas are ramping up and more people are flocking over to Thailand, there is no better time to visit than now. This opportunity lets you save time and money and enjoy exploring the country before committing to a visa. If you want to stay longer, you can try requesting an extension from the local Thai immigration. However, it is up to the officers whether you will be granted it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Siam Legal. As a leading law firm, Siam Legal has a successful track record of assisting tourists from all across the globe. That's all for our video today. If you found this informative, please be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on Thai tourism and to keep up to date with our travel to Thailand offerings. Sawadee ka.